Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Resourceful Living Homestead. This is going to be week 12 update on Microdwarf 2526 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. See, I've got some tomatoes that are looking really good. Not sure why the leaves are curling up like that. I wonder if it's too close to the light. Now this one back here is just massive, so I had to move it, prop it so it would get light from the grow light that's up here. And it's doing really good, and I'm wondering if I had the light too close to these, and that's why the leaves are curling up. If you guys know, let me know. But anyway, all those Microdwarfs tomatoes are doing really good. Although, I think it's time to up-pot these. And I think I'm going to have to just completely skip the little short pots and move to like a planter pot. Because check out this root system on this big one back here. It is just nuts. Look at that. I've got to do something, you guys. I got to do something real quick with those. I don't know what these look like. Let me see yeah. They're going nuts too. So I got to do something with those tomatoes. Guys, what should I do with them? Should I just go ahead and up-pot them into a bigger pot? I need to do that real soon. Over here, I've got some artichokes that I put in the hydroponic for little Maverick. He wanted me to plant him some artichokes. Now this one died, or it never come up. It may be trying to. That may be a seed starting to come up. But anyway, the other ones are doing really good. Got my Ruby Queen beets that I plan to transfer those out to the big garden as soon as all the snow and everything melts. Over here, I've got some cabbages. This is the Golden Acre cabbage. It's doing really good, and I think I'm going to let that keep growing in here for a little while because I've lost my greenhouse. First, it got hit by the winds and tore it all up. We were going to try to piece that back together until the ice storm, the snow and stuff came, and it weighed on it so bad, everything is just broken. All the poles, the hoops are all broken. The canvas, nothing is, we can't save any of it. So we've been tossing around what we're going to do. And we think we have a plan, but it won't involve a greenhouse, sadly. But over here, I've got some cilantro growing for my microgreens. I need to, there's just a little bit of the microgreen fertilizer water in there left. So probably tomorrow I will change that water out and fill that up and let that keep going. Then I've got some stuff I'm trying to germinate under here. And I see my tomato has sprouted. Woohoo! And that's going to be for another collaboration in the spring. I won't mention that on this video, but I will do another update for that one. Anyway, so here is my grow tent that I grew all of my starters from seeds in last year. I had this grow tent in the shop with my grow light set up in there, and I had everything growing in that. Then I moved this out to the greenhouse. I never got to grow anything else in that after all the starters went into the garden. I never grew anything else in this. So my plan is, as it starts in the hydroponics, then it is going to move to the smaller starter pots and into the grow tent. I'm also adding a hydroponic system that is a homemade hydroponic system. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. Probably next week we'll talk about it, because I've got a video coming out this weekend on me building that hydroponic system. And the breakdown on what it cost me and all that is in there. So anyway, that's going to be an update for week 12 for Micro Dwarf 25-26 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. And we'll see you guys on week 13.